Hello and welcome again if you've just joined us or if you just found this video for the first time. This is part of a playlist, a mini series of the different sorts of mosses that we use in moss walls and frames. So my name's Nick Clark, this is the Company Interiors channel, and a very warm welcome to the channel itself. Now if you're looking to get some samples of all of the products that we use, there is a link in the description below where you can click and you can leave your details for either having a sample sent to you for free if you just cover the shipping, that they arrive in envelopes, or you can actually go for one of the professional packs, professional boxes of samples, where we offer all of the product in this other camera, where the samples are actually pre-mounted on the boards that come in the boxes. This is the Bun Moss that we're talking about today in sample format. So if that's of interest to you, please leave a link. Please click the link in the description. So today we're talking about bun moss, often called bun moss or ball moss. So effectively this is the rounded version that we see on the wall behind me, often put in designs to really create this three-dimensional view. It is by far probably the most popular of the preserved mosses. Again, these require no maintenance, no watering, they are totally preserved. So let's have a quick look at the two different products that we offer. So we have the light green version and we have the forest green version. So the products themselves arrive in boxes. This is the small box. A small box will cover something like 60 to 70 square centimeters out of a small box. You can also get them in a large box. The link is in the description below. So the product itself, again, does create a real three-dimensional view. You can have a look at a few of the images that we're showing here of the product actually in use. It really does jump out as a natural product. It really does jump out as a three-dimensional sort of view of when you are creating these within interior spaces, restaurants, hotels, offices, even home offices these days, where we can actually also put them in frames. There's a click the description here above and it would take you to a video where we were actually installing these in a frame itself, and you can also then click on some of the other videos to see how we actually make the whole moss wall. So three mosses that we've used in this mini series: our flat moss version, our lichen or reindeer moss, and then the ball moss or bun moss. So if you're interested in any of these videos, please do try to subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell to get updated with all these things, and we'll see you again in one of our videos.